Congratulations for completing this course. You are now equipped with the skills to build a wide variety of applications to really bring your ideas to life. I'm so proud of you for taking the time and the effort to prioritize your learning. I just want to leave you with some words of encouragement and some next steps. In this course, we covered a lot of the basics, but there are still advanced topics and some features like filtering that we didn't particularly get to. Some of the main ones that we weren't able to cover is email integration. You would definitely want to have something like that in almost every type of application. API calls, which just means that you can interact with other applications to get images or send emails, for example. In-app purchases, subscriptions, and payments, which you can see in the settings over here. And then actually releasing the application, which is a thing in and of itself. My recommendation would be to just continue building applications, as that's often the best way to learn. And both I and a lot of other creators have a lot of videos covering different features that you can add to your FlutterFlow application or different types of applications to build. And I recommend checking those out to supplement your learning. One thing people like about FlutterFlow is the fact that they're able to export their code. So if you go up here to this developer menu, you can then view the code of your whole application and every different page. If you've signed up for this course at bit.ly/0to1flutterflow, expect to receive a certificate of completion within the next week. If you're just following along on YouTube, I hope you learned a lot and would consider subscribing. I love hearing feedback from you guys, so I would appreciate it if you could leave a review or comment on any of my videos. And I'm excited to see what you build with the skills you've learned in this course.